Hello everyone, myself Tushina. I am mother of Kiansh Gandhi, a student of Euro Junior in EuroKids Mandi, Himachal Pradesh. Today I would like to share my views regarding digital virtual learning provided by EuroKids as well as their HomeBuddy app. So starting with when this whole pandemic started and physical classes were halted, I was a bit skeptical regarding whether my child would be able to cope up with this new era of digital learning because he is very small. He's just 4 years old and it's very difficult for such a small kid to sit in front of a laptop and watch his teacher teaching him through that technology. But kudos to whole team of EuroKids, which includes efforts made by their teachers, the way of their teaching, how they keep kids engaged throughout the live classes with various fun activities and storytelling and a lot more things. Also, various things are also provided by EuroKids which are very interesting, such as their takeaway activities, their vocabulary cards, their books, which are very good and makes no difference whether my child is learning physically at school or digitally at home. And on the top of all these is their HomeBuddy app, which is an excellent app. It's a complete package of learning and I found it includes everything what a small kid needs at this level. It includes video lectures, recorded video lectures of specific topics which has to be covered on a specific day, which are very good, and they make a kid learn through various fun activities such as storytelling, videos, and a lot of DIY activities. This app also includes various good stories. I think they keep on adding stories every week and my child loves to watch those stories. Further, I found that they keep on adding new content every week, such as from last 2 weeks I found they have added a fun zone section also in this app, which is very good, and through this section my child can revise what he has been taught in the earlier weeks also. And the most amazing benefit of this app which I found is that earlier I used to be worried that what my child has been taught at school, what he is learning, because he's very small and is not able to tell exactly what he has been taught at school. But now through this app I can keep an eye on what my child is learning and what he's going to learn throughout the week, and I can make him revise those things accordingly through the whole week. So my whole experience with this new technology is very good, and my all the best wishes to the whole EuroKids team. Thank you.